Hello all, welcome to day 17's Build Habit session. Today the activity for you is shadowing techniques. What is shadow? Shadow means our replica, right? We are seeing, like we will see our shadow while we walk at night time and all those things. That is our shadow. Like same like our image, it is what visible on the floor or something like that, right? So here it is shadowing technique. Shadowing technique means what? Here what you want to do? You have to listen to English audio and speak simultaneously, trying to match speed and intonation. You have to play an English audio or a video, and you can start speaking with that simultaneously. That both should go hand in hand, one in one track and the other in other track. You can, and you should listen to your speed, your intonation, your pitch and all those things, and realize how good you are or what all changes you can modify. Okay, you can imitate, same like the imitation task we did here. Also you can shadow the thing that you are hearing or you are seeing. Okay, so do that. So, welcome to day 17's vocabulary session. Today, we are going to learn yet another six words, that is, another set of words. And the first word is hesitate. Hesitate means to pause or be unsure about something, that is, to stop from doing something. Let's see the examples. Don't hesitate to ask questions if you are confused. Thanks, I will. One person is advising another one girl that don't hesitate, don't like what, put yourself away from asking questions. That is not good. That is, if you have some doubts or some clarifications needed, so you have to open up, you have to ask. Don't feel hesitate, don't have the feeling of, oh no, I want, like that. Don't feel like that. You can come and ask. And the person is telling, thanks, I will. Next example is, she hesitated before answering the questions. Maybe she needed a moment to think. Like one girl is asked about a question, and she didn't tell the answer all of a sudden. That she hesitated before answering. Why? Because she wanted some time to think how she should answer, like that. So that is why she hesitated to tell the answer all of a sudden. She paused for a moment, then only she started speaking. That is the thing. Okay, and the next word is awkward. Awkward means feeling embarrassed or uncomfortable in a situation. That means feeling, oh, like or not comfortable, not okay with that situation, like that. And examples are, the silence during the meeting was so awkward. Yeah, I noticed everyone looked tense. That is, two people are conversing and they are telling that, yeah, have you noticed the silence in between the meeting, and that was a bit what awkward. That is not a good thing or a comfortable. I didn't feel comfortable, that person is telling. And the other person is also telling that, yeah, I also noticed that that is not a comfortable situation or a comfortable environment. And the next example, I felt awkward when I forget her name. Don't worry, it happens to everyone. Like, what is the situation? We can imagine of such a situation. That is, we are meeting one girl, and immediately we forget that girl's name, but we knew that person for long, but somehow we forgot that. Sometimes we forget some terms and all those things, no, some name of something, some terminologies on those things we will forget, and but that is there in our tip of the tongue, like that we'll tell, no. So likewise, this happened to one person here. He forgets the name of one girl, and the other person is telling, oh my god, that thing, I really felt awkward that I forgot his name, forgot her name, that was awkward. And the other person is replying that, no, it happens, it is common for everyone, it happens for most of the people. That is the thing. And one more word is here for you, exhausted. Exhausted means extremely tired. That is a common word that we use that word always. And example sentences are, I am exhausted after working all the day. One girl or one boy is telling that, I feel exhausted after working whole day. So by hearing this, another person replying, you take a tea break and relax. You take a tea break, have some tea and get relaxed. And one example, another example is, he looked exhausted after the marathon. After running this long marathon or long kilometers he has to cover, no. So after that he felt very exhausted. And no wonder, that's a tough race, and that is not a new thing, that is a tough race. Then obviously people will feel exhausted. And one more word is here, Weird. Weird means strange or unusual. Strange or unusual, not a common thing. Examples are that movie was so weird I couldn't understand it. I agree, the plot was confusing. Two people went for seeing a movie and one is telling that the movie is so weird I couldn't understand. Most of the concepts I didn't get. Okay, that person is telling and that is so weird. And another person is telling that I agree. I also stick with your statement that the plot is very confusing. That is the thing. And one more example here, it's weird how quiet the office is today. Maybe everyone is working from home. One office space seemed very quiet and calm, or calm and quiet. Why the people are working from home, and that atmosphere, like office space means what? Always conversations, meetings, debates, all those things, no, or discussions, everything happens. And so that day that office space felt awkward because of the silence. That is the thing. Now the next word is frustrated, meaning feeling annoyed or upset because of a problem. That is, frustrated means we are really tensed and we are stuck with so many works and all, so that we feel the, or we get the feeling of frustration. Okay, see the examples. I felt frustrated when my internet stopped working. That's so annoying. One person, as one man, is working on his laptop and suddenly the internet gone, and he is having a very important meeting to join, and that time he's like helpless, right? So he feels frustrated, and that is so annoying also. That is very much disturbing. That all these words we learned in the previous sessions. One more example here. She gets frustrated when things don't go as planned. Like she's a person who plans everything, but the plan, if that plan didn't work, then she will go mad, or she will feel frustration. Okay, that is the thing, and let's help her out. And with this thing, people, other friends or relatives can help her out. That is the meaning of frustration. And the usage. And the next word is about to. About to means on the verge of doing something. About, I'm about to do this, I'm about to do that, I'm about to go. Such sentences we can make using this word. And examples are, I was about to call you when you texted me. That's perfect timing. When this person came, that time, and the another one friend or relative took the phone and he was about to make text, but immediately the person came. And the next example, she's about to leave for the airport. Let's wish her a safe journey. Like this girl is going to leave the airport, then only her friends or other people came and she's about to leave. Now she started, she's getting ready to start from the home, from her home, about to leave. Now, like if some minutes pass, she might have gone to the airport. Let's wish her a safe journey. Let's give all our blessings upon her. That is about to. Here is the list of vocabulary that we learned in the sessions. So you can make sentences using each of the words, and you can record it as an audio also. Write the sentence first, then read the sentence as an audio and send it to your personal trainer and ask whether there are any corrections or not. Here are 6 words. With each of the words you can make one by one sentences, and you can share it to your personal trainer and make the sentences a bit good one, so that it feels good. So do that and make it fast. Now the calling activity for day 17, and the topic for the conversation is a place I want to visit. And you can describe about the place that you really want to go, and which place attracts you the most and why it attracted. All these things you can describe, and you can talk to your personal trainer about the place and what happened you to get such a dream of visiting this place. And you can talk to your trainer at least for 5 minutes, and don't miss this task. You can do this, and